Are you looking to save time and money on healthcare? There's an app for that. Access doctors on your schedule and receive treatment for common ailments like flu, cold, bronchitis, urinary tract infection, rashes, allergies, ear infections, and much more. Get a prescription sent to your local pharmacy when medically necessary. Stop using Google or WebMD to get answers to your medical questions and get personalized answers via email from physicians, psychologists, dentists, dietitians, and fitness trainers. You have 24/7 access with the app. Some examples of questions to ask doctors online are: ask about vegetarian meal plans for your family, ask a dentist about your tooth pain, ask fitness trainers about workout regimens that work for you. Save up to 85% on prescriptions, vision, dental, chiropractic, and more by using our locator and find a provider near you. Get amazing discounts on everything from vision exams, brand name eyewear, contacts to LASIK, dental cleaning, teeth whitening, root canals, braces, and more at thousands of available dental, vision, and chiropractic locations nationwide. Save on average 40% at your local pharmacy.